Hi and welcome to my ornamentation series. This video is going to demonstrate the tap for tin whistle. So a tap covers two notes that are the same, and if you have two B's, two A's, two G's, two F's, two E's, then you can play a tap just to separate those notes and again make it sound nice and fancy. So I'm going to demonstrate this in a phrase. So I'll play it plainly first of all, and then the next time round I will play it with the tap. So for those two E's, we can play a tap. And hopefully you'll agree that it has just elevated the sound and it makes it sound so much more impressive. So to play a tap, all you have to do, and we're going to go down each note in the scale, is you just simply quickly tap the finger below. B, and we're going to very, very sharp, very, very fast. We are going to just tap that hole below. Okay, very quick. So B, tap, A, tap, G, tap, the note below, F, tap, E, tap. And I'm going to play that for you now. And there we have it. That is the tap. So take your time, play through each of those individually, and pause the video if you want to just dissect it in a little bit more detail, but that is the tap. So hopefully this has been really super helpful. Leave me a comment below if there's anything else you want me to concentrate on or anything you want to hear in the tutorial series, and give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.